Okay, I'm heading to the college to teach a CWI prep course. It's about 5:30. I got to be there at 6. I know my hair is looking rough. I'm gonna get a fresh cut tomorrow. But as you can see, you look at my previous video about Trump. I said he would be impeached by the House, acquitted by the Senate, and he would get at least 30% of the black votes. You can look in the top up there on the drop down, or look at the end screen right here and watch that video. And I think I made it a couple of months ago. And like I said, he's gonna be re-elected this November in 2020. And he's gonna get at least 30% of the black votes. I know that's probably seemed impossible, but my last video stated that, and everything I've said on that video is coming to pass. So watch and see. So go look at that video if you think I'm lying. I made it a couple of months ago. Like I said, at least 30% of blacks will vote for Trump. I know a lot of people saying they're not. They ain't gonna tell you that, but they're gonna vote in silent. You know, you ask them who you voting for, and the first thing they're gonna say, hey, I don't know. But Trump has been acquitted, and Mitt Romney voted against him. He wanted to have Trump impeached.
And thus remove from me the awful obligation to vote for impeachment.
I don't know what Mitt Romney have against him, but it didn't work in Mitt Romney's favor. So let me head to school and teach this CWI prep course. And guys, I just put a video on the CWI retest. If you need a retest part A, B, or C, I put the requirements. And there's some special information on there that you would need, especially about the retesting, about getting your PDHs, your professional development hours. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll talk with you guys later.
Help support my content by donating through the link below.